Okay, sağollaşlar yaxshimisilar? Amsa bizniki shu yangi o'quv ingliz tili sizning darsxonamizga kelganlarni qarshi olamiz. Endi bugungi darsda yangi o'quv ingliz tili ikkinchi qism, ikkinchi dars breakfast or lunch. Mush darsi kunimiz. Andaqda qaranglar, ekran qaranglar. Okay. Birinchi savol. So, do you know the 3 meals a day? Okay. Sağdaşlar mesela, İslam şu bir gündeki 3 vaqt tamakni, 3 meals, şu 3 vaqt tamakni bilemizler? Ertegelik tamak ne demek diyorsanlar? Breakfast. Okay. Ertegelik tamak ne diyorsanlar? Breakfast. Şuna ama breakfast. Ama break, aldırırken mal sözünü ki, ama break degen mal sözünü ne diyorsanlar? Buzmak degen gap, buzmak. Ma fast degan cho'risanlar, bu ro'za tutish, shunami? Endi chet ellikning nazarida bu masalan kech tomoq yeb, kecha atgangiz tomoq yemagan bo'lsa, bu nima bo'ldi ekan desanlar, bu ro'za tutgan bo'ldi ekan, farz tutgan bo'ldi ekan, shunami? Fast. Endi atganlik nashti qilsa nima bo'ldi ekan desanlar, naqullarniki ro'zasini buzganlik bilan barobar ekan. Demak, buni breakfast. Okay, breakfast. Okay, breakfast. Endi mana o'qani breakfast demaymizmi? Breakfast. Okay, breakfast. Anda ama qanday desanlar, ikkisi qo'shilgandan ojizlashadi emasmi? Shunga birinchisi desanlar breakfast. Agar breakfastda qanday tomoqni yeymiz savolashlar? Agar masalan breakfastda biz nima drink milk, okay? Degan sut ichimiz, bread, bulk yeymiz, shunami? Ondan keyin har xil attigalik nashtalar, shunami? Tuxum degan nima deymiz? Egg deymiz, shunami? Demak, ma'nosi nima desanlar, mushtislarniki attigalik nashta yeydigan tomoqlar, shunami? Nashta degan nima deymiz? Breakfast. Okay. Ikkinchi vaqt tomoqchi? It's called lunch. Good. Okay, endi tushlik g'izoni nima deymiz desanlar? Lunch. Okay, lunch. Okay, endi lunch tushlik tomoq, tushlik tomoqni nima yeymiz? Qarab baqsaq, polo, kebab, samsa, lag'man shunami? Okay, lot of Uyghur dishes shunami? Nurg'ulgan Uyg'ur tomoqlar shunami? Nayte oziqlik qimmati, doğruluk qimmati men tan Uyg'ur tomoqlar shunami? Albatta buni muvofiq ism olamiz. Demak, bu ikkinchi tomoq nima? Lunch. What about third one is dinner. Okay, dinner. Yoki nima deymiz? Supper. Okay. Endi musharik kechlik tomoq, kechlik g'izoni nima deymiz? Dinner yoki supper. Amsa baqla, amsa kechlik tomoqda nima yeymiz? Qanday tomoq deysak muvofiqlanancha. Okay. Okay, in a supper har xil suyuq tomoqlar shunami? Okay. Ondan so'ng fruits. Okay. Ondan keyin kechda yana nima yeydi yaxshi desanlar? Meva-cheva. Okay, fruits such as apples, shunami? Apples, banana. Okay, ondan sonra yana watermelon, sweet melon degandek. Masalan watermelon, okay, tavus, sweet melon deganimiz nima? Qovun degandek har xil suyuq. Oson singishchan tomoqlarni qanday desanlar, esakil. Alright, tamsa ko'rib turibsizlar, bularning hammasi nima desanlar? Okay, 3 meals a day. Okay, and masalan breakfast, lunch, dinner, or nima desanlar? Supper. Okay. So, do you ever get up early on weekends? Okay. Another one is, maybe for a lot of people, they get up very late, especially on weekends. On weekends includes your Saturday and Sunday. Okay, endi bu shu ko'pincha shanba axirlik qanday qildirsanlar nurg'un savolashlar keyinroq o'rindan turdi. Okay, shunga sizlar shu shanbada balda o'tirib baqqanmi? Endi balda o'tiramsizlar? So, maybe you can say, I often get up early on weekends. Okay, xo'sh, endi men haraka often. Good. Often degan nima desanlar? Men ko'pincha vaqtda, adada masalan sizlarniki shu nima qilishinglar, masalan 70-80% atrofida shunami? Okay, masalan haftada 7 kun bo'lgan bo'lsa, masalan yoki 10 qatim bo'lgan bo'lsa, 7-8 qatim qanday desanlar, balda turgan bo'lsangiz, you can say I often get up early on weekends. Okay, get up early deganimiz balda qanday qilmoq, o'rindan turmoq. Get up early on Sunday, okay, on weekends. You can say I sometimes get up early on weekends. Okay. And we are sometimes deganimiz nima desanglar? Ba'zida. Tushunami? Okay, sometimes get up early. Okay, demekchi 10 kun bo'lgan bo'lsa 5 kun, tushunami? Ba'zida. Okay. Or you can say never get up early on weekends. Ho, never. Never degan 0, tushunami? 0%. Masalan 10 kun bo'lgan bo'lsa 10 kun uxlab qolgan bo'lsa nima desanglar? Mushuni never. Okay, miyada nima desanglar? I often, sometimes, never get up late on weekends. Okay, I'm here to get up late deganimiz nima desanglar? Keyin o'rnida turmoq. You know, I often get up late. Men ko'pincha vaqtda. Or I sometimes get up late. Men ba'zida kerak o'rnida turman. Or I never get up late on weekends. Men odatda axirlarda azaldan qanday qilmayman, keyin turmayman. Okay? Get up early, balda o'rnidan turmoq. Get up late, keyin o'rnidan turmoq, tushunami? Okay. Xo'sh, amsa, all right. Keyingi so what do you do on weekends? Good. Another question. So what do you do on weekends? Okay. Maybe you can say something, you know, do something I like. What kind of things you like? Okay. Maybe you can go to bookshop and buy new books. Okay, balkim sizlar kitobxonaga berib, yangi kitoblarni sotib olsa, shunami? Or stay at home all day and watch TV. Okay, maybe you can stay at home, uyda turib watch TV, televizor ko'rsa, shunami? So maybe help my mother to finish the housework. Okay. And we have housework deganimiz uy ishlari. Men opamga yordamlashib uy ishlarini qilaman. Shunami? Okay, demakchi hamda bular ko'pincha hammasini bular desanglar, sizlarningki hafta oxirlari. Okay, qilg'ashtiringlar. Shunami? Like go to bookshop, stay at home, or help my mother. Okay, help my mother. All right? So, first of all, let's learn some new words for today's class. Okay, first of all, okay, sometimes I stay in bed, okay, sometimes I stay in bed, okay, until, okay, lunch, okay, until lunchtime, alright, until lunchtime, okay, until, okay, and until lunchtime bo'lsin bo'ldi, tushtamoqcha. Sometimes I stay in bed. Again, stay in bed. Karavatda yotaman degan gap. Okay, men odatda yoki ba'zida taki tushtamoqcha, nima deymiz, karavatda yotaman. Okay, until ni ishlatilsa. Masalan, she didn't sleep until 10. Okay? She didn't sleep until 10. O nechiga uxlamadi? 10 gacha mana qildi uxlamadi. Okay, what about? The meeting may last until Friday. Okay? Meeting may last until Friday. Yig'in balkim juma kungacha qanday qilish mumkin? Oxirlashi mumkin. Tushunami? Do not open it until New Year's Day. Again, do not open it, ochmang, until New Year's Day. Yangi yilgacha qanday qilmang? Uni ochmang. Could I borrow your bike until next week? Could I borrow your bike velosipedingizni until next week? Keyingi haftagacha. Demak, sizning velosipedingizni keyingi haftagacha oriyatga olsam bo'lamdi. Okay, bo'lammi yoki continue in this direction until you see a sign. Okay, continue demakchi davomlashtiring. Davomliq mening okay, in this direction. Mush yo'lnish bilan. Until you see a sign. Okay. Demakchi, siz shu belgini ko'rguncha davomli qana qiling, davomlashtiring. Okay, yana bir example nima desanglar? Can you finish your work until Sunday? Yakshanba kungacha siz xizmatingizni tamomlab bo'la olamsiz. Finish deganimiz qilib bo'lash, tamomlab bo'lash degan gap. All right. Okay, look at this picture, okay? So, guys, how many apples are outside and how many apples are inside? Can you count? Sadece sana bakınla. Qancha olma ichida ekan, qancha olma sirtida ekan. So, inside and outside. Okay, in deganimiz nima desam, ichki degan gap. Shunami in. Okay, side degan taraf. Endi inside degan ichki taraf shunaqa bir narsaning ichida. Qarab sana bag'la Sovetning ichida nechta olma bor ekan? Okay. Yaxshi. Sirtirichi manchtal shunami? Demak, men yerga inside. Okay, endi inside deganimiz nima desanglar? Ichida. Shunami? Okay, out degan sirtda shunami? Outside degan nima desanglar? Sirtda. Okay, outside degan sirtda. Okay? Outside. Demakki ichida 3 ta olma bor ekan, sirtida nima desanglar? 4 ta olma bor ekan. Bor ekan degan nima deymiz? Bor deganda, you know, there are 3 apples inside. And there are 4 apples outside. 4 apples outside. Okay. Yet I feel cold outside. Good. And the outside again, I'm sorry, not sure. No. Outside again, mera sirtqi taraf. Teshi, sirtda. Shunami? Demakchi talada. Okay. I feel cold outside. Men talada to'ngab ketdim. To'ngab ketdim. Shunami? Outside. Okay. The house is painted green outside. Okay. Bu sirlangan. Yeşilda. Sirtda. Okay, demakchi, bu o'yinning sirti, nima sirlangan? Yeşilda sirlangan. Okay, the house painted green outside. Inside ichi, outside sirti. Talah yoki, shunami? Okay, endi qaranglar. Mana birinchi rasm. Nima? It's too dark outside now. Okay, you know, if you can see the first picture. It's too dark outside, right? It is really, it's too dark outside now, okay? But what about, you know, the school is situated just outside the town, okay? A school is situated, degan joylashgan degan gap. Situated, bilib olinglar. School is situated just outside the town. Okay. Outside deganimiz hamda sirtda. Town deganimiz hamda yiz bozor. Shahardan kichik, yizidan cho'ng yani nima deymiz desanglar, town deymiz, ha? Town. Demakchi, shu yiz bozorning sirtiga qana qilgan, joylashgan. Okay, so what is the Sheldon doing? Okay, qarasanglar Sheldon nima ish qiladi bolalar? Okay. He stood outside the house before going in. Okay. He stood outside the house. Uyning sirtida qana qiladi tudi before going in. Okay. Shu kirishdan burun qana qildi? U sirtida tudi. Okay. Outside degan sirti, inside degancha ichcha. Good. Next one is ring. Ring. Get ring. Bir narsa ring my bell, ring my bell. Shh. Ring my bell, ring my bell. Degan narsani olganmi? Okay. And bu yerga ring it. Xo'sh, endi bu yerga ring deganimiz vaqt tilpining jiring. Ashuni anlamdi ekan. Okay, shu ring deganimiz shu telefonlarningki jiringlashi yoki qo'ng'iroq qilanda shu narsalarningki sayrisi jiringlashi nima deymiz? Sana ring deymiz, ha? Ring it, ring. Masalan, phone, doorbell, shu narsani nima deysan? Sayrishi nima deysan? Ring. Okay, ring. Phone degan telefon, doorbell degancha, doorbell deganimiz shu eshikningki qo'ng'iroqi. Okay. Okay, and so you know, when I walked out of my office, the telephone rang. Okay. Men ishxonamdan chiqqanda, you know, when I walked out of my office, the telephone rang. Men ishxonadan sirtqa manganda bu telefon qana qildi? Saradi. You know, just a ring if you need anything. Okay. And the other just a ring. Okay, endi jiringlar. Demakchi, men telefon qil degan gap. Shunaqa if you need anything. Sizga bir narsa lozim bo'lsa, kerak bo'lsa. Okay. Okay, next one is the doorbell is ringing. Okay, and nima deydi? The doorbell, eshikning qo'ng'iroqi qanday qiladi? Jiringlayapti. Okay. Next one is when did the cell phone ring? Okay. When did the cell phone ring? Bu telefon qachon qana qildi? Sayradi. Okay. So your phone rang before you came in. Okay. Siz kirishdan burun telefoningiz qana qildi? Sardi. Your phone rang. Sorry, rang before you came in. Endi bir harakat sağdaşlar qaranglar. Mana shu ringning o'tgan zaman shaklini bersanlar, rang o'tgan bitgan shaklini bersanlar wrong. Ring, rang, wrong. Ring, rang, wrong. Ring, rang, wrong. Good. Good. Ansa yana bir takrar etdi. Good. Anaqda keyingisi. Keyingisi bersanlar aunt. Okay, aunt. Okay, look at this picture. Aunt. Good. Aunt. Xo'sh, endi aunt degan nima deysan? She's my father's sister, so she's my aunt. Okay, she's my father's sister. U meniki, dadamniki ochisi yoki singlisi. Shunga u meni nima deysan? Aunt. Get aunt deganimiz nima deysan? Amma. Shunaqo. You know, she is Jim's aunt. Okay, u Jimning nimasi? Ammasi. Okay, ammasi. So, what about the sister of your mother? Okay, yoki dadangizniki, opang'izniki qiz bir tuqqani, ayol bir tuqqani bo'lsa arkadaşlar, it's okay, aunt. Shunami? Aunt. Okay, what about uncle? Uncle deganimiz nima? Tog'a degan gap, Okay, uncle deganimiz tog'a, aunt deganimiz-chi amma. Good. So, look at this family tree. Okay. Endi qaranglar Allah, biz shu family tree qarab boqaylik. Endi buni qarasak, mategra son and daughter deb turibdi. Alice bilan Eddie. Okay. Endi mishariki, 5dan kelib boqaylik. 5dan kim bor ekan? Grandma and grandpa. Okay. Grandma and grandpa. Grandma mama cho'ngana, grandpa cho'ngdada yoki aning ajim dadanglar deysizlar, grandpa deysizlar. Lojim ananglancho, grandma. Shunami? Good. Andaqda your father and your mother. Okay, endi shtirani deysan. Asli ikkinchi qo'rda opanglar bilan dadanglar. Okay, endi men yerga Alice bo'lsa daughter, qizi, Eddie bo'lsa son o'g'li. Okay, endi men yerga uncle-chi, uncle yoki aunt. Demakchi, opanglarningki, dadanglarningki har bir tuqqani bo'lsa, demakchi aksi yoki inisi bo'lsa, uncle, singlisi yoki ochisi bo'lsa, biz buni aunt deymiz, aunt deymiz. Okay, endi men yerga qaranglar, yana birisi Helen bilan Henry'ning bo'ldi. Okay, cousin. Good. My cousin. Okay, my cousin degan nima? Shu sizlarniki jiyaninglar yoki bir nevra, shundami? Nevra. Cousin deganimiz ham nevra. Okay, you know, his aunt is on the left and uncle is between his mother and aunt. Okay. Okay guys, and let's look at the word puzzle. Okay, endi ma puzzle qaranglar. Agar bu shunga o'xshash hamda so'zlarni qanaqa qilsizlar desanglar, masalan, manda bo'lamdi yoki manda bo'lamdi. Sizlar shuni tutashtiribsizlar. Okay, hamsa, ama bugungi darsimizdagi word puzzle yoki ma'noslarga bir mukofotlik o'yin siftir qo'yib qo'ydim. Sizlar o'shundan so'zlarni tepibchi. Okay, so'zlarni tepib, ashuni tutashtirib, agar endi bizga avattasanglar, bizningki undada salonimiz bo'lamdi va yoki bizningki shu abditalninki ovoz qoldirish iqtidori bormi tegada. Sizlar shundan avattasanglar, biz sizlarga ta'lilik o'quvchilarni tanlab, sizlarga adreslarni so'rab, shundan mukofot avatib beramiz. Okay? Yoki bizningki shu nurg'un sin darslar bor emasmi? Shuni sizlarga sovg'at subtara qilamiz. Okay, ham sinab beqinglar. Okay. Xo'sh, yana bir so'z nima desanglar? Repeat. Okay, repeat. Good. Belgini ko'rganlar borlar. Okay, men belgini nima desanglar? Masalan, naqsh muzika olganda qaytlash belgisi shunami? Repeat deganimiz nima ekan? San qayta. Repeat again, please. Okay. Repeat again, please. Yana bir qaytlab bergan bo'lsangiz, shunami? Okay. I repeated my question 2 times. Good. I repeated my questions 2 times. Nima? Men savolimni qancha qatam qaytildim? 2 qatam qanda qaytiradim. Okay. if you have trouble with a lesson, repeat it the next day. Okay? And if you have trouble with a lesson, agar bu darsda chataq bo'lib qolsa, repeat it. Qayta bir ko'rang yoki qayta bir nim qiling. Nima next day, ikkinchi kuni. Okay. So, ansmani qaranglar bolalar. Find two words from the same group. Example. Okay, same group. Okay, endi mishining bilan shu bir qanday desanglar, musharaka two words from the same group. Endi mishining bilan munosabatli bo'lgan shu ikki demakchi ma'nolarga yaqin kelgan ikki so'zni topinglar. Masalan, until qaranglar, until bilan till yoki by. Okay, by. Lekin time qanday desanglar, toza munosabat yo'q, shunami? Time bilan hech qanday nima desanglar, munosabat yo'q. Demek ki bir kategoriya qanaqa kirmaydi. Demek ki until, till gacha, by mı nima desanglar, shu soat manchi bilan degandek-ku, ashdan bilan chiqargan gap. Okay, endi ikkinchisi outside. Qaranglar. Outside, inside, okay, good. Yana beside, beside degan nima desanglar, yenida shunami? What about this side? Endi this side qabilash kelgan bilan munosabatsiz. This side degan qara chiqamoq. Bir qaraq kelmak deganga bo'l, this side shunami? Kesmak. Shunami? Okay, what about ring? Ring degan sabab nima? Phone. Munosabatmi? Yes. Call. Yes. Shu phone degan telefon qilmoq, call nima telefon qilmoq. Demak, telefon qilmoqni 3 xil ifodalar ekan, shunami? Ring, phone, call. Okay. And the telephone number degan-chi? No, what degan telefon nomeri bo'ldi, shunami? Okay, what about next one? Aunt. Okay, aunt. Okay, maybe you can say uncle and father. They are your family. Shunami? Ular sizniki oila a'zolaringiz. Shunami? Oiladagilar. Okay, what about classmate? Classmate degan saboqdosh, shunami? Okay, endi nima kerak? Aunt, nima desam, family deyapsiz. Okay, next one, repeat. Okay, repeat. Repeat, maybe you can say play. Okay, endi mana repeat qaranglar bolalar. Repeat deganimiz nima? Qaytlash. Unda hisobda qayt qo'ymoq demak. Endi buni bilan play stop. Demakki bir musikaniki qayt qo'yash, yana qaytlash, uni degan qo'yash buni bir kategoriyaga kirdi-ku. Endi lekin launch qanday desam, hech qanday munosabat yo'q. Okay, shu so'zlar o'rganishim uchun mishagichi bo'lsin. Hamsa text ko'tarib ketsak, ha. Okay guys, let's begin the text. Hamsa arkadaşlar, textni boshlab ketaylik. Hamsa qaranglar, read and match. Okay. Hamsa arkadaşlar, men bir tutashtirishdan burun sizlar bo'lsa shunday bir tinglisini anglab etsanglar, anglash qismini-chi. Hozir shu bizning nimada chiqadi, chiqqan ekan, hamsa diqqat qilib olsanglar.
Lesson 2. Breakfast or lunch? First listen and then answer the question. Why was the writer's aunt surprised? It was Sunday. I never get up early on Sundays. I sometimes stay in bed until lunchtime. Last Sunday I got up very late. I looked out of the window. It was dark outside. What a day, I thought. It's raining again. Just then the telephone rang. It was my Aunt Lucy. I've just arrived by train, she said. I'm coming to see you. But I'm still having breakfast, I said. What are you doing? She asked. I'm having breakfast, I repeated. Dear me, she said. Do you always get up so late? It's 1 o'clock.
Okay, have you finished? Tugatdinglarmi arkadaşlar? Endi qaranglar. Okay. Buningda tutashtirib beringlar. Mana o resimlarga qarasanglar, har xil nimalar bor ekan. Masalan, it was Sunday, I never get up on Sundays. Okay, get up early on Sundays. O bir yakshanba kuni edi. Men azaldan yakshanba kunlari balda o'rnimdan turmaydim. Okay, demakchi birinchi rasm shunami? Endi ikkinchisi-chi? I sometimes stay in bed until lunchtime. Okay. I sometimes stay in bed. Sizlarning qaysirasini buniki? Until lunchtime. Okay, which one? Yeah, number 2, right? Number 2, good. So last Sunday I got up very late. Okay. And then o'tgan yakshanba kuni I got up very late. Intayin qanday qopdim? Intayin keyin qopdim. Okay, o'rnidan turmoq. Number 3, right? Okay. And I looked out of the window. It was dark outside. Men derezining sirtiga qaragandim. Sirt intayin qarong'i ekan. Okay, dark. Good. So what a day I thought. It's raining again. Oy, qanday kun bo'lib ketdi? Bu qanday kun? It was raining again. Okay, demak ham 5-chi rasm. Shunami? Xo'sh, hamsi ma'nachi? Mana ne? Okay. Just then the telephone rang. Telephone rang 6-chi bo'ldi. Shunami? Okay. Ona degancha? It was my Aunt Lucy. U meningki ammam nima ekan? Lucy ekan. Shunami? I've just arrived by train, she said. I'm coming to see you. Voy, men sizni ko'rgani ketib borman, shunami? But I'm still having breakfast, I said. What are you doing? Voy, nima ish qilyapsiz? Voy, men taqa nashta qilyapman, shunami? Okay, she asked. I'm having breakfast. I repeated. Voy, men nashta qilyapman deb yana qanday qildim? Qaytaladim. Dear me, oh Tangrim, she said. Do you always get up so late? Voy, shunda keyin qo'pamsizmi? It's 1 o'clock. Soat necha bo'lib ketdi? 1 bo'lib ketdi. Okay. Amsa do'stlar, amsa ma'ni bir tushuntirib beringlar. So what day was it? What day was it? Yeah, it was Sunday, right? So does she always get up so early on Sundays? Okay, Sundays bo'ldi qo'pamdikan? Never. Azaldan shunami? O azaldan qanday qilmaydi ekan? Yakshanba kunlari baldo to'maydi ekan, shunami? So what was the weather like? Vaqtda avariya qanday savolashlar? Avariya, what was the weather like? It's raining, shunami? It's raining. Vaqtda yomg'ir yog'yapti. Yomg'ir yog'ayotgan, shunami? Who telephoned her? Of course, it was her Aunt Lucy. Good. So what was the time? It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Bu soat 1 bo'lib ketdi. Soat 1 ga chiqilsa qana, adamni hayron qoldirdi. Shunami?